There are no attorneys. Are they here?
I am.
Plaintiff is here.
J. James Hasanaugh is here, Your Honor.
I am here.
And
the
property manager is also here.
All right. Who is Christina?
She's my girlfriend. She's out of town.
All right. This is a non-payment. They don't even have type of action on this case. Is this a non-payment or a termination case?
Termination, Your Honor.
Was there a lease?
No, there was not. Was
there a lease?
No, there was not. Mr. Zarlicki was asked to do some work. He was given some keys in order to do that work. And he just kept the keys and moved in. So we're looking for a trespassing and termination.
Is that correct, sir?
No.
Well, how did you come into the premises?
The original agreement was that the house didn't have a furnace, hot water tank, and a bunch of other stuff. And the original agreement, which was verbal, was that I installed the furnace, all the duct work, the hot water tank, and do some work here as I'm able to live here. And Mr. Hasanaugh knew that that was the original agreement. And then he even, about with the gas, electricity, or he had it in his name.
Okay, how long have you been here? How long have you been there?
Since actually physically staying here since middle of November.
Sir, is that correct?
I don't know exactly when he started staying there, but he was supposed to have done the work by the end of last August. And it hasn't.
Okay, well then how long have you known that they've been in the premises?
Since at least the middle of September or beginning in August, actually.
That staying in the premises?
He started moving in a lot of stuff and
didn't ask that. How long have you known that they've been staying in the premises?
Since the middle of September of 2023.
And you gave them keys?
In order to go into the building to do the work, yes, I did give them keys.
Yeah, but then you knew they were staying there.
No.
I didn't realize that he had actually was staying there. He was supposed to have been done like by last August, and he didn't finish the work, so I didn't really monitor what was going on there. But a gentleman named Eric was supposed to be having a room there, and he said that Stan had moved in and had moved his dogs and had moved his girlfriend Christina in as well, and that they were living there. And then Stan finally said that he was living there. He told me he wasn't living there, and then he said he finally said that he moved in.
But you gave him keys.
I gave him the keys in order to go into the building.
He's not a trespasser, sir. He's not a trespasser.
Can I interrupt for a second?
You already have.
I'm sorry.
Here's the problem. Unless you're going to be able to establish to me that he's indeed legally a trespasser on the premises, based upon what you told me, he's not a trespasser, he'd be entitled to notice of some type to the premises. So you've got two options here. You can dismiss the action now and then send a notice and refile, or you can go ahead and we can litigate out whether or not he's a trespasser, and I'll make a legal ruling on it. Which would you like to do, sir?
Just a second, Your Honor. Amanda, did we give him a 7-day? We never gave him a 7-day, right?
No, we didn't.
Okay. You feel he's not going to qualify as a trespasser, Your Honor.
I've not made a legal ruling. That's why I was asking the questions that I was asking. Doesn't seem to me that he's a trespasser. It seems to me he came into the property under some color of right.
Also, Your Honor, I'm sorry.
Go ahead. What do you want to say?
Also, if I was an actual trespasser, why would Mr. Hasano ask me to put the utilities in my name? The electric is in my name, but the gas, they won't put it in my name without a letter from Mr. Hasano. Why, if I'm a trespasser, why would I do that? I'm not a slum person. I'm not a bad person. I got a huge heart.
I don't know that anybody's saying that, sir.
Okay.
Did you, sir? Did you
sounds
have
like
them
we're
put
going to
the-
have to
Sir,
serve
I
him.
can, sir, did you
Yes,
have
sir.
them put the utilities in their name?
I asked him to do that. He wouldn't do it. And so then I turned off the
So
gas
why,
and I
if they
turned
were
off the electric.
trespassing, sir, if they were trespassing, why would you have them put the utilities in their name?
I didn't. I told him I was going to turn them off. And so then he went and had the electric put in his name, and they wouldn't put the gas in his name.
No.
So why, if somebody's trespassing, why would you do that?
Why would I turn the utilities off so that
Why
he would
would
move
you
out?
even have a discussion about the utilities going into their name? These folks
Because
aren't trespassers.
He used to be a resident in one of my other homes. I had to evict him from there. I gave him a second chance on this home, and he hasn't
Sir,
paid. He
They're
hasn't
not
done the work.
trespassers. Bottom line, they're not
Okay,
trespassers. They're
fine.
going to be entitled.
We will dismiss this case. We'll send
Case
him a
is
file.
dismissed. Court lacks subject matter jurisdiction. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
We'll
you,
be
sir.
back.